To fix a frigid air oven that's not preheating, several factors should be considered. Cold room temperature, extra oven racks, or a faulty heating element can all contribute to this issue. To resolve the problem, start by warming up the space. Warm your kitchen before preheating the oven. Consistent preheat times can be achieved by adequately insulating the kitchen during frosty seasons. Remove any extra racks, as they can increase the time it takes to reach the desired temperature due to the additional metal that needs to absorb heat. By taking out the unused racks, heat can circulate more efficiently, allowing the oven to preheat faster. If the heating element is worn out or damaged, it may also cause longer preheating times. In this case, the element should be checked for damage and replaced if necessary. This may require a multimeter and igniter. Additionally, the gas supply cutoff valve should be inspected to ensure it's open, and the igniter should be checked to see if it glows when the gas valve is opened. If it doesn't glow, the resistance should be tested using a multimeter, and if it reads OL, the igniter will need to be replaced. The safety gas valve's resistance should also be tested, and if there's no continuity, a technician's assistance will be required to replace it. The control board wiring should be inspected for broken wires, and the resistance measured. If it reads OL, the damaged wires will need to be replaced. By following these steps, a frigid air oven that's not preheating can be fixed.